Welcome you all to the glimpse of academic and non-academic activities 22-23 of SBRR Mahajana First Grade College Autonomous. On 12th of September, orientation program was organized for newly admitted first year BA, BSc, BCA, BBA and BCom students. Principal Dr. B.R. Jaikumari, CEO and Academic Advisor Dr. S.R. Ramesh addressed the students. On 14th of September, Hindi Day was celebrated by Department of Hindi. Resource person was Professor G. Chandrasekhar, retired professor from Vidyavardhaka First Grade College, Mysuru. Prize winners of Hindi Day competition were felicitated. Department of Kannada and College felicitated Vice Chancellor Dr. Hemant Kumar, University of Mysuru, Mysuru. On 21st of October, Department of Environmental Science organized one-day workshop on eco-friendly Deepavali. Resource person Shri Raghavendra, Diya Maker was present. Nashamukta Bharata Abhiyan was organized by College NSS Unit and Orange Service Organization in association with the Government of India, Ministry of Social Justice and Jilla Panchayat. On 28th of October, Koti Kanta Gayana event was organized to commemorate 67th Kannada Rajyotsava. Renowned songs like Jaya Bharata Jananiya Tanujate, Udayavagali Nama Kannada Nadu, Huttidare Kannada Nadali Huttabeku were sung by students and faculty members. Our college Talents Forum students participated in Yuva Dasra and won various prizes by making college proud. On 9th of November, Department of Environmental Science organized a workshop on environment and wildlife conservation. Shri Krupakar and Shri Senani, wildlife photographer and International Green Oscar awardee, was the resource person. ದಿನಾಂಕ 13/11/2022 ಮಹಾಜನ ಪ್ರಥಮ ದರ್ಜೆ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಾದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಿ.ಆರ್. ಜಯಕುಮಾರಿ ಅವರ ಕೃತಿ ಬೇರಿಗಿಳಿದ ನೀರು, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಎಚ್.ಕೆ. ಲಕ್ಕಪ್ಪ ಗೌಡ ಬದುಕು ಮತ್ತು ಬರಹ ಕೃತಿ ಲೋಕಾರ್ಪಣಾ ಸಮಾರಂಭ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ನಡೆಯಿತು. On 15th of November, one-day workshop was organized on the topic Role of Newspapers During Pre-Independent Era, jointly organized by Department of History, Journalism and Mass Communication and IQAC. On 16th of November, College Physical Education, NCC, NSS Unit and Red Cross organized blood donation camp in collaboration with St. Joseph's Hospital, Banimantup, Mysuru. College Anti-Sexual Harassment Cell, SPERSH, Women Empowerment Cell, Mysuru had organized Arvina Payana Gender Equality Program in association with Sammata Adhyana Kendra. Department of Languages organized interactive session on contribution of Indian literature to value-based life. Vidwan Narayana Desai, Head Department of Sanskrit, Maharshi Pre-University College, Mysuru, was the resource person. Inauguration of Student Parliament and Talents Forum was held. Renowned film actor Shri Dodana and alumni popular Kannada cine actor and serial artist Shri Karthik inaugurated the program. Kannada ಮತ್ತು ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿ ಇಲಾಖೆ ಮೈಸೂರು in association with SBRR Mahajana First Grade College organized Yuva Saurabha for the Talents Forum students to exhibit their talents. Department of Business Administration in association with VICE, MCCI and IQAC organized one-day EDP program for outgoing degree students. Two-day workshop was organized in association with the Center for Inclusive Growth and Development Research Trust under the theme Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan, Social and Solidarity Economy and Tribal Development. SBRR Mahajana First Grade College ಕನ್ನಡ ವಿಭಾಗ ಮತ್ತು ಅಭಿನವ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಆಯೋಜಿಸಿದ್ದ ನರಹಳ್ಳಿ 70 ಬಹುಮುಖಿ ಚಿಂತಕರಾದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ನರಹಳ್ಳಿ ಬಾಲಸುಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣ್ಯ ಅವರ ಯಕ್ಷಕವಿ ಕೆಂಪಣ್ಣಗೌಡ ಸಮಗ್ರ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ ಶೋಧ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಆಯೋಜಿಸಲಾಗಿತ್ತು. NSS ವಾರ್ಷಿಕ ವಿಶೇಷ ಶಿಬಿರ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಮತ್ತು ವೈಜ್ಞಾನಿಕ ಮನೋಭಾವನೆಡೆಗೆ ಯುವಜನತೆ ಎಂಬ ಶೀರ್ಷಿಕೆಯಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ 7 ದಿನಗಳ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕ ಶಿಬಿರವನ್ನು SBRR ಮಹಾಜನ ಪ್ರಥಮ ದರ್ಜೆ ಕಾಲೇಜು, ಮಾದೇಗೌಡನಹುಂಡಿ, ಟಿ. ನರಸೀಪುರ ತಾಲೂಕು ಮತ್ತು ಮೈಸೂರು ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಯೋಜಿಸಲಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ NSS ಸ್ವಯಂ ಸೇವಕರು ಶಾಲೆಯ ಆವರಣ, ಗ್ರಾಮದ ರಸ್ತೆಗಳು ಹಾಗೂ ದೇವಾಲಯಗಳ ಆವರಣ ಸ್ವಚ್ಛಗೊಳಿಸುವುದು ಶ್ರಮದಾನದ ಒಂದು ಭಾಗವಾಗಿತ್ತು. SBRR Mahajana First Grade College organized extension and outreach activity. Our college principal Dr. B.R. Jaikumari was the chief guest at Gramina Abhiruddhi Mattu Mahile, where principal interacted with village women self-help groups and delivered a special talk as a part of extension and outreach activity. ದಿನಾಂಕ 5/12/2023 ಕಾಲೇಜ್ NSS ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾ ಸಂವಿಧಾನ ಆಶಯ ಮತ್ತು ಮಹತ್ವ ಎಂಬ ಶೀರ್ಷಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಡೇ ಅನ್ನು ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಾಯಿತು. On 15th February, College Wellness Center, Spurs and Women Empowerment Forum in association with Rotary Club of Mysuru West and Inner Club of Mysuru West organized one-day workshop on Anemia Free India and interaction program on Dira Violence Against Women. On 14th of December, Department of Biotechnology had organized a one-day seminar on benefits of intellectual property rights. Guest speaker was Dr. M. Dharmaprasad, CEO and Chief Scientist, Prosetta Bioconformatics Private Limited. SBRR ಮಹಾಜನ ಪ್ರಥಮ ದರ್ಜೆ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಕನ್ನಡ ವಿಭಾಗ ಮತ್ತು ಅಭಿನವ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಇವರ ಸಂಯುಕ್ತಾಶ್ರಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾ ವಿಮರ್ಶ ದರ್ಶನಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ವಿಮರ್ಶ ಪರಂಪರೆ ಒಂದು ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ವಿಚಾರ ಸಂಕಿರಣವನ್ನು ಆಯೋಜಿಸಲಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಇದರ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನೆಯನ್ನು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ನರಹಳ್ಳಿ ಬಾಲಸುಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣ್ಯ ಬಹುಮುಖಿ ಚಿಂತಕರು ನೆರವೇರಿಸಿದರು. Departments of Physics, Mathematics and Computer Science organized a two-day training program for teachers and students on Math Rocks in Physical Sciences. Resource person was Shri B.S. Krishnamurthy, motivational technical speaker, Dance with Maths Activities Pioneer, Mysuru. Department of Commerce organized a one-day state-level workshop on Gateway to Research, hands-on training in SPSS. Inauguration was done by Dr. Harinarayana NS, Chairman, Department of Library and Information Science, University of Mysore, Mysuru. 74th Republic Day was celebrated. Chief guest was Shri C.L. Anand, KAS, Secretary, Bangalore Development Authority, Bangalore. On 10th of December, NSS University of Mysore, College NSS Unit organized International Human Rights Day. Renowned industrialist, educationist and our beloved President Shri R. Vasudevamurthy Sir 95th birthday was observed. On 1st of July 2023, Career Guidance and Placement Cell organized a special talk on study abroad opportunities in Skiller International University. Resource person was Mr. Ali Dhan, Global Representative, Skiller International University. Department of Psychology and IQAC organized a career talk on career prospects in psychology. Resource person was Mrs. Lakshmi Gowda, Senior Scientific Officer, Forensic Psychology Section, Regional Forensic Science Laboratory, Mysuru. Departments of Environmental Science, Physics and IQAC organized awareness program on energy conservation and energy efficiency in association with Bureau of Energy Efficiency, Government of India, Ministry of Power and Karnataka Renewable Energy Development, Government of India, followed by drawing, poster competition and exhibition. Department of History, Journalism and Mass Communication and IQAC organized an interactive session on Forgotten Mysuru History and Memoirs. Resource person was Shri Dharmendra Kumar, Arenahalli. On 6th of June, Ministry of Ayush, Government of India, Moraji Desai National Institute of Yoga, New Delhi, Mahajana Education Society and Shri Vedavyasa Yoga Pratishtana organized Rashtriya Yogotsava. Inauguration was done by Honorable Shri Shivkumar, Mayor, Mysuru City Corporation. Department of Environmental Science, College NSS NCC Unit in association with CII organized Clean Drive Mysuru Ring Road under the title Namma Mysuru Swachha Mysuru. ಮಂದಾರ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕ ಸಂಚಿಕೆ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಪಂಪ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಪುರಸ್ಕೃತರು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ CPK ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸನ್ಮಾನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಆಯೋಜಿಸಲಾಗಿತ್ತು. Department of Journalism and Mass Communication and organized interaction session with Justice N. Santosh Hegde. College Unique Concept Weekly Assembly will be held every Saturday. Achievements made by faculty members, students will be felicitated, in which release of textbook was held, History of Medieval India and Indian National Movement, written and published by Dr. Sridhar, Academic Dean, followed by release of Spurti newsletters brought out by Department of Kannada. On 17th of June, graduation ceremony was held. Former Chairman UGC Professor Ved Prakash delivered graduation address and Vice Chancellor University of Mysore NK Loknath was the chief guest. President Mr. Muralidhar Bhagwat, Mahajana Education Society and Honorable Secretary Dr. Jayalakshmipuram and Administrative Officer Professor P. Sarojamma were present. SBRR ಮಹಾಜನ ಪ್ರಥಮ ದರ್ಜೆ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಕನ್ನಡ ವಿಭಾಗ ಮತ್ತು IQAC ಸಹಯೋಗದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದ ಒಂದು ದಿನದ ಅಂತರ್ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಮಟ್ಟದ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ ಕಮ್ಮಟ ಕತೆ, ಕವಿತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಬಂಧ. ಇದರ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನೆಯನ್ನು ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಮೈಸೂರು ಕೃಷ್ಣಮೂರ್ತಿ, ಸಾಹಿತಿಗಳು ಹಾಗೂ ಪ್ರಾಧ್ಯಾಪಕರು, ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಪ್ರಥಮ ದರ್ಜೆ ಕಾಲೇಜು, KR ನಗರ ಇವರು ವಹಿಸಿದ್ದರು. Office bearers for Alumni Association 2023 were nominated among faculty members and students. Student Parliament and the Department of Journalism and Mass Communication organized virtual interaction for CRs of Student Parliament with Kiran Bedi, former IPS officer and Lieutenant Governor of Puducherry. On 10th of June, Maham logo launch and auto expo was held. President Shri T. Muralidhar Bhagwat, Mahajana Education Society, inaugurated the program. Career Expo was organized wherein 17 companies were present in the campus, 600 students were enrolled in this and 180 students were got selected by different companies. On 17th of July, Maham National Level Fest was held and inauguration was done by Mr. Sam Cherian, Chairman, CIA and Managing Director, Skevron Laboratories Private Limited, Mysuru were present. More than 25 colleges including 120 participants took part in various competitions. Maham Cultural Program was inaugurated by Dr. T. Jayalakshmipuram, Honorable Secretary, Mahajana Education Society, renowned cine actors Mayuri and Big Boss fame Niranjan Deshpande, Deepika Das, Arvind, Divya Urduga, popular Kannada film hero Mr. Danveer were present and graced the occasion. SBRR Mahajana First Grade College, in association with NCC units, celebrated Kargil Vijay Divas with Ex-Servicemen Movement Association. ಮೈಸೂರು ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯ ಅಂತರ್ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಕ್ರೀಡಾಕೂಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಹಾಜನ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಸಮಗ್ರ ತಂಡ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಲಭಿಸಿತು. Valedictory of Student Parliament and Talents Forum was held. Chief guest was renowned folk artist and Padma Shri Puraskrite Srimati Manjuma Jogati was present. Thank you and happy Teachers' Day for everyone.